choose the truth.
I will tell the truth. Yes, I will. With my words and actions still. God loves truth in all I do. I will tell the truth. Truth.
When I speak what's right. Even when I'm scared inside, Jesus helps me brave and strong. Telling truth won't lead me wrong.
If I make a small mistake, I tell the truth for goodness sake. God forgives and helps me grow. Honesty helps my heart glow. Truth builds trust with friends and family. God is truth, that's plain to see.
So I choose the honest way every single day.
Truth is right, truth is good,
Living truth
just like I should.